What's up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I am in downtown Detroit at the Riverwalk, and it's one of the first like real hot days in a while. We got like 60, 70 degrees the last couple of days, and today 90 degrees. Today I'm be shooting with the Sony a7 III and a Samyang 50mm f1.4. I normally don't shoot 50mm, but because I'm dealing with kids, I kind of want to be a little at a distance. Don't want to be at all up in these people's faces. Yeah, I'm really excited to shoot with this lens. It's actually the first time that I'm going to be out here for a while shooting with it. So we're going to see like how it performs, how the autofocus works, all that good stuff. You know, everything that you want to know about a lens. You know, is it worth the $500? Is it a complete steal? We're about to find out right now. Don't run through the water. Alright guys, so that wraps up the first impression of the Rokinon 50mm f1.4. I know I said Samyang earlier, but it is a Rokinon unit. I also did a video with it, and it was like very bad autofocus. But at 7.1, you know, 5.6, it did a really good job. I didn't have any issues. It was tracking my subjects really well. I'll be able to like really tell once I get home and can kind of like review the footage. One thing that I didn't like about the lens is that when I held it, my like finger would nudge against the camera right there. So I don't know if that's like a Sony thing. I've only shot with the kit lens and a few prime lenses with Sony, so I'm not really sure like if that's going to be a continuous thing with future lenses. But like right here, my finger, it just feels really irritated. Can't really tell, but you can kind of see how it's rubbing against that. So that was one thing that really did bother me. Other than that, I felt like it did a great job in terms of like just balance and keeping its weight. yeah, definitely a great lens. 50mm for me, for street photography, isn't like my desired focal length. It's just not wide enough to like really capture the scene. Again, in this situation, it worked out really well because I was photographing kids and I wanted to keep my distance. But you know, if I was like on the streets or something like that, I don't think I would like it as much. So yeah, that was a quick POV. I was just chilling with the family today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna leave a link to the blog post so you can see all the images. I actually captured a few when the GoPro wasn't recording. So definitely click that, check it out. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so. I looked at my numbers. It said like 85% of you guys are not subscribed. So click that button down below. It means a lot to me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.